Hi, kids. About a month ago, I had new discs and pads put on my Jeep Liberty all the way around. And ever since then, excuse me, when I go into reverse to back out of my parking space, and this is when it's cold, when the engine is cold, it's hasn't been driven for at least an hour. It makes a binding noise, and I don't know what the noise is. I don't know if it's because of the discs or maybe it's something else, and maybe in the rear end or something. It seems to be coming from towards the back. Anyway, I'm making this video so that you can hear it, and maybe you can figure out, offer some suggestion as to what it might be. So, here we go. Well, that was the extent of it. It doesn't seem to make a noise going forward, so I'm going to shut the video off now, so I can go run my errands. Let me know what you think the noise might be. I don't know if it was loud enough for you to hear. Usually it's about that volume level. It could be a little louder. Yesterday it was quite loud. I tried to make a video, but I guess I'm not a video kind of guy. I don't know what happened. So anyway, let me know in the comments.